So when we're spit roasting, it's crucial to get the right cut because of the direct heat transferal. We want to make sure that the cut that we get is going to perform the best for your cook. So when it comes to pork, the pork shoulder is really good for spit roasting. It won't dry out as much, it'll retain its moisture really well, and it crackles really good. In terms of chicken, you can certainly do a whole roasting chicken on the rod, but you could also do cuts like chicken thigh fillet. And when it comes to beef, you really can't go past the bowler blade. The bowler blade is a great option because it has a tendency not to dry out as much as other cuts. Other options in lamb, if you don't want to use the shoulder for gyro style, is you can get boneless legs of lamb, which are delicious, and they thread onto the rod similar to how the bowler blade does. With spit roasting, doesn't matter which selection of meat you've gone for, it's all about that charcoal flavour. If you're new to spit roasting, or if you're unsure what cut to go for, you can always pop down to your local butcher. They'd be more than willing to help you out.